Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This week Oculus is releasing version 13 of firmware for the Oculus Quest, and it has a really cool feature. I want to show you what it is. Alright, here is what the update is. Okay, see it's update number 13. Check it out. You go into devices, see, it's a hand tracking update. Okay, here's the new update. It's right here. Auto enable hands or controllers. Automatically switch between showing hands or controllers. Turning off this setting means you'll need to switch between hands and controllers using the button in your universal menu. So check it out. Watch this. If I lose batteries, my batteries die, my controllers die. Okay. It's dead, batteries out. Boom, my hands. Now I can play with my hands. Let's see. I haven't honestly done much of this because it's not super intuitive for me. Whoops, what is this? No, I don't want to launch anything. What? Oh no, what did I do? Back, how do you go back? Okay, just click on something else. No. Okay, we'll just do update because what am I updating? Let's see. There's a little bit of lag. Okay, Oculus browser. So there is a little bit of lag, apparently, but it is really cool to see your hands, which is an update that came out in December. It's also really cool to be able to switch to your hands if like your controllers die and you can't go into your settings to change it to the controllers to your hands because your controllers are dead. So let's see. As far as I know, there's not any games out yet that support the controllers. Oh yeah, see? Or that support your hands. Use the controllers like, see, is there anything else? Yeah, it looks like, I don't see any official, oh, okay. Pictures, okay. So the built-in stuff, the stuff that's built into home, you can use your hands with. Ooh, Google Photos. That's cool. Link accounts, check notifications. Okay, I'll have to do that later. Let's see, can I do, nope, need a controller. What about side-loaded apps? Okay, let's do this one. This is a cool one. Probably not gonna work, I would imagine. Oh yeah, controller required. That's too bad. Now from what I understand, I think there's some side-loading games that are on side quests that are actually being developed for this to use hand controllers. Dread Halls, I hope this doesn't work. Yeah, okay, cool, because this one scares me. Oh, so it's like I'm squeezing something. See right here. It's like, okay. So, library, unknown sources. Probably none of this stuff will work. All right. Well, it looks like it's just something fun to mess around with in the home environment for now. Hopefully at some point they will actually make it available in lieu of the controllers. And here you can see the Oculus release notes for firmware version 13, showing not only the hand tracking improvements, but all of the other entire improvements, bug fixes, and features that they've worked on. Link is in the video description. If you don't want to wait for this update and you just want to install it on your Quest right now by yourself, I will show you how to do that. And I got all this information from this Reddit post. I will put a link in the video description, and it's pretty easy to do. So first, you actually have to turn off your Quest, completely turn it off. All right, it's completely turned off, and you have to download the firmware update for it. This link up here is for people who don't have 12. I mean, I don't know, I guess there's some people who weren't on 12. If you're not on 12 yet, you need to do the 12 before you do number 13. 13 is just an incremental update. Okay, so the larger file is number 12, let's see, 747 megabytes, and the smaller file is number 13. And so we have to put the Quest into bootloader mode. Now, when it is turned off, you have to hold volume down and power for a while. I'm holding it. And now it'll put us into USB update mode. See that? We are in USB update mode right now. So that is what we will be in, and you can control the settings. You can control your options by the volume button, and then you just hit power to select. But we don't want to do any of this yet. We actually want to change to, let's see, enable side loading update. So that's, I said enable side loading update. That's what I selected, enable side loading update, all right? And plug it into your computer, and you shouldn't have to have your Quest in developer mode for this. You shouldn't, some people say you do. If you want to, I'll post a video link up here on how to do that. Mine is in developer mode, but it's been in developer mode for a long time. So you also need ADB on your system. If you don't have that, I'll post a link to the ADB files. There are some ADB files right here that you can extract. It's just a few files, you can extract it. So, and I'll also include this update bat file that just runs the command. So just put this all in the same, so you would just like extract this to the same folder. But I actually don't need that because I have it system-wide, so I'm deleting that. But if you don't have ADB installed, just use that. And so you have to rename this to update.zip. So let's see, I only need this one. Actually, I don't need it. I'm already on 13, but I'm gonna do this to show you guys. So rename it to update.zip, and then just double click on this. If you have ADB installed, it should work. Actually, I'm going to change it right now so it says pause. So you can see what it says if there's an error. All right, install update, double click, press any key to continue. Oh, that's right, sorry. I have to actually select enable sideloading update. I forgot. So let's see. It's selected, now I have to press the power button. All right, so see, it's flashing purple. That means we are in the update mode. So just double click on this bat file. It's doing its thing. It's serving update.zip. Exciting stuff. And I already have 13 installed, so it shouldn't be a problem. Now it is rebooting. It should be applying the firmware, even though for me it already has it. I'm gonna disconnect it from my computer. Doesn't need to be connected still. And boom, there we go. You can see the multi-user interface that comes up. All right, that's it. Remember, if you don't have update 12, I didn't know that there was people that still didn't. You can download update 12 and run that first, do that first before you install update 13. If you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully hand tracking will come to be something more than just playing with some menus in Oculus Home. But it's pretty cool though, just to be able to like look at your virtual hands and mess around with them. I don't really use it because it doesn't have a whole lot of practicality at the moment, but it is fun and it is cool to see the developing technology that's happening. And I do think that there are some side-loadable apps that are being developed on SideQuest that can use hand tracking. So you might want to check that out. I'll leave a link in the video description to any of those. I'll check it out before I push this public video. All right, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me if you like hand tracking. Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's, I mean, what's your opinions about it? It's fun. It doesn't have a whole lot of things I can do with it at the moment, but hopefully that won't be the case for too long. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Thanks a lot.